Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take live photo or motion photo on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone. Open camera. Then keep on photo mode and here click on this icon and motion photo is turned on. Now if you take a photo, if it has some animation, that will also be recorded. Okay, see here, and this is called motion photo. Open the photo that you took, and in the photo itself it will be printed like a view motion photo. Just click on it and see here, this is the motion photo. Okay, so in this way you can easily take motion photo or animated photo on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.